Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are making some caramel popcorn. This homemade caramel popcorn is my family favorite snack. It's super yummy and easy to make. I love everything about this recipe. You don't need any fancy ingredients like corn syrup or baking soda to make this. And it takes no more than half hour from start to finish. So are you ready for movie night? Without further ado, let's get started. I prefer real old-fashioned way to pop the corn, but you can use a microwave if you like. Pour the corn into a warm 13-inch wok or bigger, then add in the vegetable oil, and pop the lid on. You want to get things popping quickly, but you don't want the kernels to burn. As soon as you hear the first pop, turn your stove down from medium-high to medium or medium-low heat. This way will give the kernels a sufficient amount of time to pop without burning the ones that open up quickly. This process will take for about 15 minutes. When popping slows down, turn off the heat, remove the lid, then transfer the corn to a bowl. Next, we are going to make the caramel. You need to have everything ready before you start. Because this stuff sets really quickly, you won't be able to work fast. So over a medium heat, pour sugar into a large wok. Cook till sugar starts to melt. Please note, never stir the caramel, otherwise it's crystallized. Stir wok to heat evenly till melted sugar reaches just lovely rich amber color that you are looking for. Be careful, do not overcook or you might burn the sugar. Now it's time to add the butter, so pop it in. It's gonna fizz up a bit, just keep on stirring until all the bubbles subside. Please be careful, caramel very hot, and don't forget to add some salt to the caramel. Once it's lovely and smooth, pour in the popcorn to coat it with that incredible caramel. Lower the heat, working quickly, give that a good mix. Next, transfer all that to a baking tray to cool down a bit. Once your popcorn have a few minutes to cool down, it's ready to put in a bowl. It's that easy and it's gonna taste amazing. Alright guys, so that was my recipe for perfect caramel popcorn. They taste really yummy. It's buttery, crunchy, sweet and salty all at once. Guys, I could probably eat half bowl of this right now. Since it's so tasty, I can just keep popping them into my mouth. You can put them in individual popcorn bag, which will make it great to bring to a party. And I'm sure everybody will love them. Anyways, thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and stick around for another Bembum Kitchen videos too. And I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye guys! Sorry, I really can't stop eating this.